Okay, so before we get into the breezy flick tutorial, I'm going to show you what my settings are. I only have one thing different about it, and that is my arrow left, which is set to square. And if you want to know how to do a breezy flick, you want to know how to do a musty. And a musty should look something like this. A little bit messed up, but it's fine. Okay, so for a breezy flick, the motion should look like this. You want to go about halfway there. You can just keep practicing that until you get the hang of it. And then once you get that down, you want to do this. Basically, you get your car facing down and then just flick. And the breezy should look something like this. And that's how you breezy flick.